Add a pic of your red hair face Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to click to viral now from highlights. And you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers, so you can check these too. So there we have it, add a pic of your red hair face. So from here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, from here you have to go to your uploads, which is in the left bottom corner, and then search for a picture with your red hair face. So I will go with this photo, and from here you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. So after that you have to click on share to, and then click share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.